Andu 1,072 niyo makuite kumana na mitino ya barabara kwa ihinda rĩa mieri 3 mihituku, na gatagati-ini ka acio gicunji kia 83% ni arume. Kuringana na ruhonge rwa guthingata uigĩrĩrĩki barabara-ini NTSA, namba ya athii a maguru aria makuite irugamĩire 362 aria makuite makuitwo ni ngari mari andu 188, nayo namba ya ikuũ cia matereba ikirugamira 108.
Lose more people in the highways than any other place in the country in terms of road accidents, but for pedestrians we lose most of the people in urban areas, and Nairobi is leading in this regard.
Ministry ya ukui ihithuritie mahinda maingi ikuũ ici ikoretwo igicungiririo ni utwarithia mũru wa ngari gutari na kihariro, ngari gute mwerekera, o undu umwe na amwe athii a maguru gukorwo matari na uigĩrĩrĩki riria marahuthira barabara, atwarithia a bodaboda ario matongoretie gukuruhana mitino-ini.
We have notified NTSA to be extra vigilant to ensure that Kenyans move safely to where they will be going. The traffic is anticipated to start ushering in from Thursday evening, and also to when they are coming back.
Kuringana na Minister wa ukui Kipchumba Murkomen, gicunji kia 48% kia mitino ihanikaga mathaa-ini ma utuku kuma muthenya wa gatano o kiumia, Jumamothi undu umwe na muthi wa kiumia, gatagati-ini ka mathaa ma thaa 11 cia hwaini nginyagia thaa 5 cia utuku.
887 men have died and 185 female. We are still working out to know exactly what is the reason. It's either that men travel a lot, okay, or they have their behavior, they take too much risk on the roads, or they are more distracted when driving on the roads.
Barabara ya Nairobi guthie Naikuru, barabara nene ya Thika superhighway, undu umwe na kaunti ya Machakos ni kumwe gwa kuria mitino mingi ikoretwo ikihanika, ahuthiri a barabara makiurio kugia na uigĩrĩrĩki na makiria mahinda-ini maya twerekeire mambura ma Easter.
It's because someone trains one afternoon and tomorrow that person is on the road and is carrying a passenger. You just go to a maize farm and train, or a wheat farm, you train a whole afternoon, and the next day you are a motorcycle driver excited about speed, and you are carrying somebody, and you are carrying someone without helmet. It is just terrible. We want to make sure that every person who is going to handle a motorcycle or a vehicle on the road must have the proper training.
Ona kuri uguo ministry ni iranĩire kugacirithia mihango ya ukui kuria marutite mukana wa gutacukia makinya ma kiwatho kuria ahuthiri aria mekunyitikana matari na uigĩrĩrĩki na gucungiriria mitino.
I think that's, yeah, thank you.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.